You are here today to learn how to change the orientation of a document inside Adobe Illustrator. With a new document open, first I'll grab the Artboard tool from the toolbar, and one way to change the document orientation is by using the Control panel and change from portrait to landscape or vice versa. With the Artboard tool still selected, we can also use the Properties panel. Under Quick Actions, I'll click on the Artboard Options button, and here I can make the same changes and click OK. Another way of changing the document orientation using the Selection tool is to click on the Edit Artboards button, and that will circle us back to the Artboard Options, where we can change the orientation from landscape to portraits or vice versa.